Hey guys, video service information here. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota Tundra with the 5.7 engine in it. The customer says they were driving down the road and the lights came on in the dash and then the vehicle overheated. So we got the vehicle into the shop here and we scanned it to see what was going on and see if we had any codes. It did have a P0117, which is coolant circuit, low circuit. Got looking at the parameters here, and you can see here the vehicle got severely hot. The engine did. Go ahead and blow this up so you guys can see it. Right here, coolant temp. You can see 275 degrees, so it got extremely hot. Got looking on the vehicle and noticed the coolant was low in it. Did a compression check. All cylinders were low in compression, so we know we had a severely damaged engine. Got the cylinder heads pulled off. Head gaskets really couldn't see much. I mean, these triple layer gaskets, they seal up pretty good. Sometimes it's hard to tell when they get breached. But looking down at the cylinders, you can see here all this heat damage. You can see up in here. And all through here. You see some scoring here. See at the top of the cylinders it got extremely hot. Looking at the service history, this vehicle had a frame replacement due to corrosion under the Toyota recall back, it was a little while back, 2019 or so. Then we seen on the radiator, the lower radiator hose, this one right here, had been changed to an aftermarket hose. So most likely they had to change it when they did the frame. You can see here it's got an aftermarket writing on it. This is right lined up with the alternator, is lined up with this lower radiator hose, and we could see that a bunch of coolant had sprayed onto the alternator. Show you the coolant here. You can see these speckles of pink and red of coolant. So we got looking at that lower radiator hose, that one they had replaced, the aftermarket one. You can see a good sized gash in it. And this is where it was rubbing up against the alternator. And unfortunately, the customer didn't notice, had been rubbing there for a while. Must have been just misrouted when they did the frame replacement. And over time, it chewed a hole through it and it started leaking coolant. So the low coolant level is what overheated this engine. Got measuring, and the head surfaces, they measured 6 thousandths. So it got pretty hot. Gonna have to recommend a new engine on this one. There's not much saving this thing here with this severe heat damage. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I put new videos up. Have a good one.